गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आज हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे, ठीक है? वार्म अप एक्टिविटी, ओके? कैन यू प्लीज डाउन? कैन यू प्लीज अप? कैन यू प्लीज डाउन? कैन यू प्लीज अप? Can you move right? Can you move left? Can you move right? Can you move left? Can you move forward? Can you move back? Can you move forward? Can you please smile? Can you please smile? Can you please cry? Can you please cry? Can you please smile? Can you jump high? Can you jump high? Can you jump low? Can you move fast? Can you move slow? Can you move fast? Can you move slow? Say hello, how are you? Say hello, how are you? Say I am fine. Say I am fine. Say hello, how are you? Say I am fine. Say I am fine. Say you are right. Say you are right. Say you are wrong. Say you are wrong. Say all good. Say all good. Say all bad. Say all bad. Say all good. Can you please dance? Can you please dance? Can you move right? Can you move left? Can you move forward? Can you please smile? Can you please smile? Thank you.